Yo, what's up, crypto family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're seeing a red day, and is this a market correction already? That's the question for today. And yeah, like we are seeing red, and we are already like down 10-20% on some coins, and I'm pretty sure this is a market correction, the phase 4. That's what I was waiting for. And this is it, guys. I think this is the last time we're going to see big red days before we are going to infinite. And yeah, I think if you're not buying on these levels, because this is the day we're like already started to see correction footprints, and I think this is really important for all of us to understand that it will go down. Of course, I think it will go down, and we need to understand that we need to buy on that level. And that's the question, is how to reach and how to catch the bottom, because it's really hard to understand where is the bottom in the market at this moment, for example. But I will just show you what I think. But first of all, I want to talk about bread, because bread is already pretty low and it's 11 cents right now. In my opinion, it can go to 10 cents, and that's 10% more. So I think tomorrow we are going to see that, that drop, and that's the perfect buy-in. We are already at these levels that bread is pretty cheap, and as you can see, in this month we dropped already 30%. That means that's a big correction for bread. It's already 30% cheaper. And even if we're talking about year, it's pretty amazing, but this is nothing compared what's going to happen in this bull run. And yeah, people are talking about, maybe it's already finished. We already seen a massive gains on meme coins, but this is not it. We didn't even start it. You don't understand. If you're saying memes are done, this is not the end. This is just the beginning, because in the last cycle, in the last altcoin season was crazy. We've seen the massive gains on Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, everything like that on those memes. And now we are going to see massive gains on VIF again, because it went pretty down even today, And yeah, it's really strange. For the weekly we are seeing 24, but monthly is only 15%. So yeah, like what's the level for Dogwave hat? Like that's really hard to understand Dogwave hat levels, because one day it's like 2.8, now it's 1.8. It's like moving like really interesting. And right now it's $1 cheaper from the top, as you can see, and I think it's already a good buying opportunity. And one of the craziest things today, that I was like watching Banner Bubbles, and my daughter Oriana came and she pinged me, asked me, are you buying this? Because she asked, what am I doing here? And I said, look, I'm watching crypto and it's already red, and when it's red, it's like, going down. It's like a sale, and I'm telling her that this is a nice buying opportunity right now. And she asked me if I'm buying this dog, and then I thought maybe it's a sign, maybe I should buy. And then I said that I'm buying bread, and she actually said that this is nice. So yeah, she knows She knows that bread is going up, and she knows about VIF because VIF is the biggest moving meme coin in this cycle. So this is nice because even the child attention is on the best meme coins. So imagine how you need to pick. This is only JPEG, and that's it. Maybe the name or something, but the attention for the kids are what they're seeing, not what they're reading. So it's like a small dog with a hat just grabs attention. That means you need to invest where you can see attention, right? Where people are seeing it, and dog with hat made a crazy thing. And if you want to create a meme coin, you need to get some ideas from dog with hat because that's amazing. But it's enough for meme coins. I've already talked about meme coins a lot, but yeah, I want to talk about Bitcoin right now, and this is important. Why I'm saying market correction started, because we had the support level on 63k, and now we're going down. And what's crazy is that I'm pretty sure what's going to happen, and if this is going to happen, I'm calling it the bottom for this cycle. So I really like to call the bottoms, and I think this is the bottom. This is what we are going to see. We're going to see the bottom. We're not going to go down crazy because of the institutional money that coming every day to us, and it won't go so down this time. It won't go down as much as we thought it will because of the institutional money. So listen, this is what's going to happen. I'm pretty sure it's going to reach 56k where my hand is. But I think if we're greedy enough, if we are scared enough, we're going to see 54, and then we're going up and moving like this. And here is the biggest buying opportunity, guys. This is it, guys. This is it. This is the bottom. This is the bottom, and we're gonna test this 53k support level, but we're not going to reach it. We're not going to reach it. It's not going to happen. And yeah, really would love to that Bitcoin would drop to 10k or something like that, because I would reach my goal easier. It will be cheaper for me to buy, and yeah, I have goals to accumulate 1k Bitcoin, but this is it. And I think I'm missing a lot of buying opportunities if I'm not buying here, but I cannot get more capital from these guys. Yeah, I'm just accumulating as much as I can right now and trying to invest in meme coins to buy more expensive, to buy here on 100k because that's what I'm going to do. And this is completely mad idea, right? This is, yeah, I could buy it 100% cheaper right now, but I will get more money by investing in altcoins because it's going to be altcoin season, and then I will buy BTC on 100k. This is just my tactics, and yeah, buying Bitcoin on 100k will be crazy, but believe it or not, I believe that Bitcoin will reach even higher price, and it's nothing. 100k is nothing for me, and it's still cheap compared to what will be in the future. So listen, guys, try to catch this bottom that I'm calling, because I think 56k is one of the nicest price we're going to have. And one thing, Germany sold sold Bitcoin on 55K. They sold like 2.8 bill of their Bitcoin, 2.8 billion dollars, and it went instantly almost to 70K. So like, you need to do the math. What is a smart player and who's not? Because they actually sold on the like really low price of Bitcoin, and they just don't understand the game. And I'm not like saying that they're like made a bad decision. I'm just saying I wouldn't do that. If I would, like, okay, maybe you need 2.8 bill for something, right? But come on, guys, selling Bitcoin at this level is crazy. Like, if you're like that person who sold that Bitcoin, I hope so you know more than me. And yeah, but the thing is that we already saw what happened after that selling price. They like lost like 300 mil or something. So the timing is really important in this crypto market. The timing is the key, and you need to understand when you are buying, when you're selling. Of course, if you're a country, if you're like Germany, crypto is really hard to buy and sell because it's regulated. When you're a country and you want to buy or sell crypto, you need to do a lot of paperwork. You need to do those regulations and regulation process. And this is crazy because this is not like one button and you're sold and that's it. You need to show what you're doing and why you're doing. And I don't know, I never managed that before, but I'm pretty sure it's really hard for them to sell. Maybe they wanted to sell on higher price, but it went down to 55, and then, well, yeah, they sold it because they wanted to sell it before. So we don't know what happened. At least I don't know what happened. And yeah, I hope so they're like thinking to rebuy the Bitcoin when they can. And yeah, that's it. Institutional money is coming anyway. Germany is a small player in this crypto market, at least for now. And I hope so they will implement crypto in their investment funds. Like a lot of countries are holding gold, for example, and gold is the bank of your net worth. And gold will still be a valuable asset for everyone, right? But what's going to happen, because gold needs a security, like bigger security. You need banks, you need a place to hold your infinite tons of gold and hold it somewhere. It gives a lot of problems because of the security thing. And when you can just buy a digital asset, hold it in a treasure, a ledger, in just a USB drive, as I say. And this is crazy. You can hold entire Bitcoin investment in your hand. Imagine if you're having like 100 bill of Bitcoin, and compared to gold, you cannot hold 100 bill of gold, 100 bill of dollars of gold in your hand. And I can hold infinite amount of Bitcoin. It's going to boom like this. And this is what you're waiting for. This is what I'm waiting for. And this is going to happen, and I'm pretty sure. I mean, this is not a financial advice or anything. Like, before investing, do your own research. And but buying Bitcoin instead of holding dollars or like any currency is better. And this is because I believe in it. I believe in the future. I believe in the technology, what we're seeing here. And it's really hard to adapt because I want to see Ethereum right now. But it's really hard to adapt to a new technology because I am doing a lot of mistakes even now with crypto, sending with the wrong mainnet, sending it with a bad address, losing a lot of money by rookie mistakes, and it still happens. And you need to test everything. Before you're making a bigger transaction, you need to make a test transaction, because you cannot risk it, to bill, for example, to bill and send it right away, right? You don't even know where it's going. I mean, you need to triple check at least, not double check. Double check is garbage. And when you double check, okay, I double check, but I'm not still sure if this is the right thing, where I'm sending my money. So be careful with that. So this is a small talk, but I want to say Ethereum reached really nice levels. Not sure where it's heading, because I've already thought it's not gonna reach this level. So to be sure, the candle says that it will follow, of course, the Bitcoin, but how low we can go, I don't believe we can go to here, but this is probably where we're going. And 2.9, 2.8 is pretty okay. We're seeing the 2.8 is the next super level, so probably we're not going to reach that, but we're going to, the biggest buying opportunity of Ethereum is going to be on this level, 2.9, 2.8, and this is where I would buy a lot, and this is where I would invest my money if I would be in this position. Because right now, when you see red, it's easy to think that it's going to dump even lower, but you need to remember that this is a market manipulation and you don't even know where it's heading if you're not insider. I am the insider and I know what's happening. So PayPay is the meme coin we should be looking at right now, because it went down 40% already. This is the best buying opportunity of PayPay. So I like this meme coin PayPay. I like the people, the community who are invested in PayPay, and this is like some Asia style Pepe that if for example China will adapt Bitcoin even more. So China is a big player in crypto already, and I think from China people are going to buy PayPay instead of Pepe or Shiba Inu or Bread or Dogbit Pad, because they will see some related things with PayPay because of the hat that it's a culture, more of that. And PayPay is a nice buying opportunity. Like, it went down 40% in 7 days, and this is like 100x possibility from now. And I think the thing is, total supply 420, 69, right? This is some of these signs, red flags that this is a scam or something. But a lot of meme coins are doing that. A lot of meme coins are just making this supply because it's just a swag to do that. they're feeling, crazy. Let's do 42069, I would do like 427. I would do like, 713 420. I would put my numbers first and then 420 at second place, and maybe then 69. Who knows, to make it even more attractive, because people are attracted to numbers, and this is simple demarketing the supply. If you're seeing, for 2069, oh wow, that's nice, that's a nice number combination, and this is okay, I'm buying this coin, boom, instantly sold. This is a sign. You see 777, oh, I need to buy a lottery ticket, I'm going to win millions. This is just a marketing, and this is okay. So a lot of meme coins, of course, having 420, 69, and they are going to zero. And after this, dump, after this redness with a 40% down, people are thinking, oh, it will just go to it's a rug, it will go down crazy. But I'm thinking differently. I'm thinking Pepe is already a nice coin, and yeah, it's a nice meme coin. It's a nice possibility. It's a nice gamble opportunity, if I would say, because this is more like not investing, but this is gamble in meme coins, and you need to be careful. Of course, it can go to zero, but I think it will go at least 100x. I mean, even more maybe, who knows. So why I'm talking about this right now is because I want to show you this chart of the Bitcoin compared to internet, and look, internet went all up from this cycle, right? From this point it went only up, and it's going up, and it was hard before, it was hard to adapt to internet, because businesses didn't even know how to send emails, how to post something, and they thought that not a lot of people are using it. But life showed us that we are really, really fast to adapt to a new technology. I mean, compared what is fast, and yeah, of course, this is not going to take us, oh, it's a new thing, one day, and boom, we are all with ledgers, with treasures in the hand, holding infinite coins in your wallet. But this is not how it happens. It's a hard technology. You need to understand it, and we are here, guys. We are here, and this is where the adoption of institutional money is starting, and we are really, really early in this thing. And Bitcoin is already 63k right now, and guys, it will go down to 54 maximum in this cycle. 54 is the bottom, and who knows, maybe we won't even see that low price anymore. So come on, let's just think about it. Bitcoin, and compared with some altcoins that we're seeing with the X potential, right? So Bitcoin is not the best if you want to 100x your, but if you're having a lot of money in your bank, it's much better to hold your money in a wallet with crypto and Bitcoin. And of course, I cannot say this is a financial advice, but you need just to do your research and understand that USA is in debt, trillions in debt right now, and they are going to print even more money. And that's why President Trump is bullish on crypto, because he understands that he needs to print money, right? But he will try to mine more Bitcoin in USA. So he is like pro crypto. He is like already pro crypto. I remember those days that Trump said that Bitcoin is a scam, and now he's talking. And this is not the sign that this is late. This is a sign that this is starting. This is the start, guys. This is what I'm showing you right now. This is the start of crazy movement. And yeah, I'm really happy to be in this history moment. And yeah, I hope so you're happy too. I hope so you're having a nice week. And yeah, happy investing, happy trading. I hope so you're going to catch that 54k or something like that. You know, you don't need to hold, you don't need to wait for that 54k, because it can go only to 56k and then skyrocket, or it can go to 10k or to zero, who knows. But I believe that Bitcoin will go to 55k and then it will go parabolic up. Of course, there is no such thing as parabolic movement when everything is just going up, but it will go like sideways, but it will go like this. This chart, what we are seeing right now, the adoption chart, it will go up. There's no such thing as going down, because people are adapting to the blockchain. People are understanding what Bitcoin is, and this is it, guys. This is where it's starting. This is where it's starting, and I'm happy to be here. And yeah, my drawing, crazy drawing, guys. I hope so you like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope so you're having a nice day and catch this correction, because this is phase 4 for me. And yeah, peace. By the way, guys, subscribe.